Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Wyoming Blessed with Tish. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do greatly appreciate it. And today is our 500 subscriber giveaway, which is a $25 gift card. Or if you are not from the United States, I will PayPal it to you. So anyways, y'all, today we just have some chicken wings and some mushrooms and ranch. We have a whole bunch of different kinds of hot sauce to go with it. Some good old-fashioned water. I just got off work. Today is Tuesday night, so I've got to get this quickly done so I can get this uploaded. So let's get this done. Start off with these delicious mushrooms because, you know, we were watching Sauce Queen eat them the other day. And I was like, look, now I got to go get mushrooms. Fresh mushrooms are so good. That's like over. Oh well, y'all. It happens. It's one of those days. It was not a fun day at work, we'll put it that way. So I had to run to the store, grab some stuff. So I figured I'd grab some chicken wings with my mask on. This is this one. I like this one on chicken. It's tangy and vinegary. So the rules for this subscriber giveaway is you have to contact me via Instagram or TikTok within 24 hours of the video being put up on YouTube to claim your prize. If you don't, I will redraw on the next video. I will send it to you. And that's just the way it goes. If it's easier, I can always PayPal it to whoever and put it that way. Just given the times that we're in, you know. This is my favorite part of the wing, is the flap. I don't really care for the drumstick. It's just my personal preference. I don't eat the cartilage, y'all. My husband does. I do not. It's gonna be a quick video because, like I said, I just got off work and I'm tired. Normally, for these, I do the, like, seafood boils and all that. But y'all, I would normally done the video tomorrow, or yesterday, being that I had to work today. Still in my work shirt. But I forgot, y'all, because I wasn't feeling the greatest. My back was really hurting. I could barely stand up. So, shout out. Oh, so the trivia question. The correct answer is 5. I have to break 2 eggs to cook 2 eggs to eat 2 eggs. Get it? So, I broke 2 to put them in the pan to cook them. Took them out of the pan to eat the 2. So, the answer would be 5. And the first person that got that right was Jessica Elmore. Yep. It was a tricky one. It was a trick question. And I'm not gonna lie, the first time I answered it, I got it wrong. And then I stopped and reread it, and it was like, wait a minute, it's 5. Sorry, y'all. We're gonna be doing more of those type of things. The trivia questions, because they're fun. Now, y'all, I want to see them views. We got 500 subscribers. I want to see this video get up over 200 views, because I should with 500 subscribers, and over watching 5 minutes. Like, the last couple videos have been like, the average duration is like 4 minutes and something. Come on, y'all. This one is, I don't think I've tried this one. I'm just going to put a little bit, just to see. Might be a little spicy. It's sweet. I don't really get any other flavor. And it doesn't really come out very well. I love mango. But I'm not really getting mango flavor. I don't really get any flavor. Not eating that cartilage, y'all. I don't even like that one. There's no flavor to it. Like, there's spice, but no flavor. Going back to this one. I like spice, but it's gotta have flavor, you know? I think that one pairs so well because it's vinegary. So, yeah. You know we don't do the drawing till the end of the video. Come on. Now we got one that I have tried, and I know it's hot. If y'all haven't tried it, it's delicious. It's got a fruity tropical flavor, but it's hot. And that's this one. It's very hot. As you can see, I'm the only one that eats it, so. My husband doesn't like fruity tropical, but I do. But it's hot. I've got habaneros, mango, pineapple, banana, But so good. Oops, sorry, y'all. You can taste the banana. It's subtle, but so good. But if you can't do spice, it's not the one for you. Ooh, that's probably a little much. These are little wings. I think I like the flats because there's no gristle and stuff. You can just eat them. So, continue to watch. For the 500 subscriber giveaway till the end. But y'all, stop coming after me on TikTok about eating and me being fat or whatever. Y'all, don't you have anything better to do with your life? Come on. Now ain't the time for all that hate. I know we're all bored in the house and whatnot. My mouth is on fire. Told you. If that's all you got to do with your time, you've got too much. Find something else to do. You know? I got a mirror. Number 1. Number 2. I'm a grown woman. I do what I want with my life. This is what I want to do, is sit in front of a camera and eat and socialize with my people. That's what I'm going to do. What are you hanging out, y'all? Enjoy the fun. If you don't like it, like I comment on TikTok, don't watch it. No, I ain't wasting the crunchies. I should have got their wings on Taliber, since they got good wings that are ranch, buffalo ranch or something like that. That's okay. You know what in the world that was? Almost done, y'all. You know, I live in little old Wyoming. Our internet is not that great around here. Look at the lid. So, it takes a little while for me to get a video uploaded. There's some other mukbangers. They're like, oh yeah, I have it uploaded in an hour. I'm like, psh. It takes me hours on end to get a video uploaded. It's sad. It'll take me probably about 6 hours. 8 hours to get this uploaded. So we're going to get a drink. We're going to get on to our drawing. So, y'all, I have all these names wrote down. I mean, it is pages beyond pages beyond pages, 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 pages. Because it's a lot of subscribers. The next one, we do have another one at 1,000. That one is like some channel merchandise and some stuff special to Wyoming thrown in. We're gonna randomly pick here. What is that? 82. So 1632. 1632. That's 64. 65, 67, 68, 69. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82 is this one right here. Ladybug. So Ladybug, you are our $25 gift card winner. I don't know if you are from TikTok or YouTube, but you have to contact me on Instagram or TikTok. You do have to screenshot and show me that you are subscribed to my channel in order to receive it. That's the rules, y'all, because y'all know if you ain't subscribed, you don't win. So Ladybug, you are our winner. Make sure you contact me within 24 hours of this video going out. Otherwise, you are not eligible any longer. And we will redraw. So, thank you all for joining me. Y'all stay healthy. And as always, stay warm and stay blessed, y'all. Bye.